Not sure of what I see, Cupid don't with me. Are you telling me this is a sign? She's looking in my eyes, and I've seen no other guys. Are you telling me this is a sign? Uncle Charlie. Think about it, boy, leave.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Brianamccalip, and you're tuning into another bomb hair tutorial. Like, all my hair tutorials are bomb. Like, what? The slay is real, okay? The slay is real, y'all. Today's company is SUNBERHAIR. This is my favorite color. Yellow is my favorite color, so I'm in love with the box. In this box, it came a whole bunch of stuff. Even this wig, okay? So I don't want to talk too long, but shout out to SUNBERHAIR for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to go check them out right below. I want to get right into this video because it is late. I've been up for a long time. If y'all want to see how I achieved this hairstyle, please keep on watching. I see that you're tuning into this hair tutorial, so yes, this is the one. This is a paid sponsorship featuring SUNBERHAIR, and they sent me over some hair along with some goodies in the box. Lashes, band, wig cap, just everything that you would need to lay this wig down, basically. But honestly, you really don't need much. This is the wig right here. This is a new 6x4 lace closure Yaki bob air wig, y'all, and y'all gonna see what I mean by air right here. It's like a ventilated cap where it's breathable. But y'all, this is a new wig on the market, and I'm going to be trying it for you all. Okay, I thought it was like one of those wigs that you just put on, and it's like one of those glueless wigs, but I glue mine down, so that's neither here or there. Even if it was a glueless wig, I'm still going to glue mine down. However, this is a pre-cut lace, and it has silicone, what I just showed y'all, around the band. Okay, combs in it, a band, and everything. So I went off camera, I bleached it, and I also plucked the middle part. I was about to say over bleached the knots, but no, that's not what I did. I went ahead and also just closed it up because I wanted the part to be wide so that I can do this. I want that thin line, so I did go ahead and use some which is black hairspray, and I sprayed that. Look at that. Oh my god, that part is crispy. Okay, period. I did my thing. So it's time to lay this part down. There's really not many styles to wear with the bob. You can either flip it over, but since this part is a 6x4, it's really not much you could do. If it was a lace closure, I mean, not closure. If it was a lace wig, like a 13x4, I could do a lot with it. However, this is just a pretty pre-plucked wig that you could just take it out the box, throw your head, and go out the door. You really didn't even have to do everything that I just did, okay? Because this is supposed to be a wig that you just put on your head, flat iron it, and you walk out the door. But y'all know me, I have to style this wig to my likings, and I have to just make it fit me. So that's what I did. It was a little bit longer than what style I wanted to go for, so we did cut it. We chopped it up a little bit. So I'm just right here putting on a lace cap, well, not a lace cap, a cap. I love these caps because they're not so thick. They're really thin than the caps that we used to put on our head. I still love those caps. However, I do like the stocking cap that is on my head right now. So after I glue that down, I wish I had some braids because I really didn't have to do too much lace. All I would have to do was sew it from where the lace stopped on each side, which is 6x4, and just had the cap like that. But I went ahead and put my lace glue on, waited for it to turn clear. Girl, get your words right. And then I just laid it down, y'all. Like, the melt was seamless. Okay, do y'all see it? And actually, I kind of like it because there's not so much lace on there. Y'all see, it came with no extra lace, so it was just like, okay, put the glue on and just stick the tab down. That's it. I didn't have to do any plucking, y'all. When I said I didn't have, the only plucking that I did was the middle part, and that was it. I kept it just basically how it was in the box and just basically bleach the knots a little bit and also just pluck the part. I didn't even do any extra plucking, like going to the back, because it was already pre-plucked. So I love that about this wig, y'all. So my mom's gonna come in. I'm just putting a little bit of concealer in the middle part. But make sure you put your band on every time you do lay a lace down. Make sure you put your band on. And when I tell you that that band is going to lay the lace down, it is going to help y'all. So my mom's gonna cut this into a even bob. I like the long length, but I don't know. Something was telling me like, girl, give it that even cut, cause baby, it's gonna be fine. So she's going to basically take certain sections. You can actually part this in 3 sections, so the back and then the 2 sides, and just cut. But my mom is professional, so she knows exactly what she's doing. So she's gonna take certain areas and she's gonna start cutting. I know that she said that she needed some better scissors, so I'm trying to get invest in some scissors, because they do be mattering, okay? And then when you cut your hair, it just gives it a new look. It's so bouncy. It gives it a new look, and it just be so bouncy. So she's gonna cut this all the way around. Oh yes. And I was like, yes, I love this length right here. It's how I wanted it. Y'all, this wig came out so cute. It's like a new wig, okay, that we just transformed, because I liked it long, once again, as I stated, but I just love how this wig just came out. Don't forget to go check out SUNBERHAIR in the description bar below. Leave this exact link down there. Also the site down there as well, the link to the site. So after she's done just basically cutting all around, what she's going to do is she's going to start the process of flat ironing. I really don't need to talk through this process. It's just basically going section by section and just flat ironing the hair. It's really redundant. So y'all, don't forget to check them out down the description bar below. I'm going to take my band off. I'm also going to put a little bit of makeup on. That's about it. And yeah, don't forget to go check them out in the description bar below. Tell them that I sent you if you do purchase something from them. And comment down below if you like this. If you think this is a good summer look, let me know down in the description right below, because I would love to know if you would rock this, okay? I love it even cut, and baby, easy to do and also easy to keep up. All you gotta do is basically get your flat irons out, hot comb it, and then that's it. Chew on up out the door. We don't got time to be curling this hair, okay? So yeah, I'll see you guys on the outro.
Sure of what I see, Cupid with me. Are you telling me this is a sign? She's looking in my eyes, and I don't see no other guys. Are you telling me this is a sign? Uncle Charlie. Think about it, boy, leave her alone. You ain't no king, she likes my tone, my cologne, and the way I roll. You ain't no king.
It's legit, you know it's a hit when the Neptunes and the doggy dog finna spit. You know he's in tune with the season. Come here, baby, tell me why you leaving. Tell me if it's that you need if you wanna breathe. I got the best minus C's. Ain't nobody tripping, VIP they can't get it. If something go wrong, then you know we get to crippin'. Stepping with a G from Los Angeles, where the helicopters got cameras, just to get a glimpse of our chucks and our khakis and our bouncing car. You with your friend, right?
Yeah.
She ain't trying to bring over no men, right?
No.
She ain't gotta be in the distance. She can get high all in an instant.
Sure of what I see, Cupid.
thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoy. I really hope that y'all like this wig, y'all. This is a even cut. It was a bob at first, so it was longer, but I love me an even cut. So I was like, you know what? Let me cut this. Let me chop this up like a blunt cut bob. She went ahead and did that. And like I said, these are my favorite hairstyles to do. This wig is a very, very bomb because look at that lace. If y'all haven't checked out SUNBERHAIR, go do so now. Down in the description right below. Let me know what y'all think about this wig. But until then, I'm gonna see y'all on my next tutorial.